All right, welcome everyone to a deep dive. Today is all about unlocking some serious financial flexibility.
hmm
We're zeroing in on a really unique opportunity, specifically for homeowners aged 62 or older, especially if you're in, say, Orange County's more prestigious communities.
Right, those high value areas.
Exactly. We're talking about making your home, that incredible asset you've built work even harder for you, but crucially, without having to sell it.
Which is key for so many people.
Totally. So, our mission today. Let's cut through some of the noise, maybe the myths, and really look at the strategic side of what's called a jumbo reverse mortgage.
Yeah.
Basically, it lets you tap into a chunk of your home equity, get tax-free cash, keep ownership, and ditch the monthly mortgage payments, provided you stick to the loan terms.
Like paying your property taxes, insurance,
Yeah,
the usual homeowner responsibilities.
right. You've got significant equity. Let's explore how you might leverage that for, well, a better retirement.
Yeah. And what's really fascinating here, I think, is how the specific OC real estate scene makes these jumbo reverse mortgages particularly relevant.
How so?
Well, think about places like Newport Beach, Laguna Beach, maybe Shady Canyon, Emerald Bay, Corona del Mar, Coto de Caza. The home values there, they often blow past the standard FHA loan limits.
Ah, okay. So those limits, what are they typically?
They usually top out around, say, $1.15 million for reverse mortgages, which, is a lot, but it just doesn't apply for many of these luxury properties.
Right, not nearly enough in those markets.
Exactly. A jumbo can unlock way more equity, sometimes up to $4 million.
Yeah,
It's a much more powerful and relevant tool if your home's worth several million.
gotcha.
This isn't your standard financial product.
Uh,
It's really tailored for that substantial home equity. It sort of reimagines retirement funding in a luxury context.
okay, that sounds amazing for lifestyle choices, things like travel, renovations, peace of mind. But let's tackle something I know comes up. This idea that, well, maybe a reverse mortgage eats up your equity, leaves less for the kids.
Mm-hmm. The legacy question, very common.
Yeah, how does a jumbo fit into estate planning? How do you protect that legacy? And also really critical about the tax advantages. Talk about that. Boosting income is great, but how does it actually affect your tax bill?
Okay, great questions. And yeah, this is where we need to clear up some misconceptions.
Okay.
First, taxes. The money you get from a jumbo reverse mortgage, generally it's treated as loan proceeds.
Meaning not taxable income.
Exactly. Typically tax-free.
Yeah.
So think about it. Unlike pulling money from a taxable IRA or 401k, using your home equity this way could potentially keep you in a lower tax bracket overall.
Huh. Interesting. Letting other investments maybe grow longer.
Precisely. It helps optimize your different income streams.
Yeah.
Now, about the legacy. This needs careful planning, obviously. But a jumbo reverse mortgage is a non-recourse loan,
Non-recourse, meaning,
meaning your heirs will never owe more than the home is worth when the loan needs to be repaid. They can sell the home, pay off the loan balance, and keep any remaining equity. Or they can choose to pay off the loan with other funds and keep the home.
okay, so they're protected from owing more than the home's value.
Correct. And actually, many seniors use these funds to pay off an existing mortgage. So they eliminate those monthly payments, freeing up significant cash flow. This can actually help them preserve other assets, like investment portfolios, for their heirs instead of selling them off for living costs.
I see. So it's less about draining the asset, more about managing it strategically. Can you give some maybe real-world examples? How are people in OC actually using this?
Oh, absolutely. We see scenarios like a couple in Laguna Beach using funds to handle unexpected large medical bills without having to liquidate their investments. Huge peace of mind there.
Wow, yeah.
Or picture someone in Shady Canyon. Maybe they finally take that dream trip, a year traveling the world because their home equity is funding it,
Yeah.
not drawing down other savings.
Making those big dreams happen.
Right. Or maybe a family in Corona del Mar uses the money for significant home upgrades, enhances their lifestyle and potentially the property value, all without new monthly debt payments.
So it's turning that locked up wealth into usable capital.
That's it. It's about converting illiquid wealth into liquid capital to support the life you want. But of course, it's crucial to remember you still have to pay property taxes, homeowners insurance, keep the home maintained. The standard ownership responsibilities apply.
Right, makes sense. Okay, so wrapping this up a bit. What's the main takeaway for you, our listener, the homeowner in Orange County? Your home is a massive asset, right? A lifetime achievement. And this deep dive shows how a jumbo reverse mortgage could offer, well, significant financial flexibility, peace of mind too, And you don't have to sell.
It empowers you.
Yeah, empowers you to control your wealth, maybe improve your tax situation, and really enjoy retirement fully, while still thinking about legacy.
And if we pull back for a second, look at the bigger picture. This really does challenge that old idea that home equity is just this untouchable thing you only benefit from when you sell.
Good point.
For homeowners with substantial equity, especially in high-cost areas, using a tool like a jumbo reverse mortgage, maybe it stops being just an option and becomes more like a strategic imperative
Yeah.
for a truly comfortable, self-directed retirement.
Mm-hmm.
So it raises an important question, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it time for you to think differently about how your biggest asset could actually serve your goals right now? Definitely something to mull over for your own financial future.